bone. Rainy day lovers don't love any others. That would not be kind. Rainy day people don't know how it hangs on your peace of mind. Lay them down there too. Rainy day people don't mind when you cry a tear or two. Rainy day people always seem to know when you're feeling blue. High-stepping strutters who bound in the gutter sometimes they want to. Take it or leave it, or try to believe it.